how to remove background noise from your recordings in Audacity. So you may be able to hear it right now, but I do have some background noise, just a white noise machine on my phone going right now, just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, and we'll be able to see in this example. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just create a little Audacity clip here. I'm just going to record myself talking with the background noise, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break during the middle of the recording, and during this break what I want to do is just record that background noise. So essentially what it's doing is it's just creating a little soundbite of just that background noise, and what we're going to do later is use an effect that analyzes that background noise and then applies it to the rest of the entire track and sees that identity and removes it, so then you just hear my voice. So let's go ahead and create this recording. So now I'm just talking here. Okay, now I'm going to take a pause. Okay, so that was me just listening to the background noise, getting that soundbite. So let's go ahead and stop recording now. And I'll go ahead and turn off the white noise coming from my phone now. And let's go ahead and just listen to this little white noise piece here. So we can hear it. So that was me just listening. It's not very loud, not very prevalent, but it is there. And so if we get rid of it, it will make our final track sound better. So to get rid of it, first what we're going to do is we're going to select this area here where we were just listening to the background, just getting that soundbite. Then we're going to go up to the Effect tab, and then from there scroll all the way down until you get to Noise Reduction. Okay, so basically we want to reduce this noise. Right now we have it set at 12 decibels, and sensitivity is set at 6. So what we can do, we can raise that sensitivity if we want, just so it makes it a little bit more sharp. So for myself, I like to get it around 7, and frequency smoothing, so it's basically just isn't as sharp, a little bit more. So I'm gonna probably raise that up to 4 here, and then the noise will just reduce. Okay, we don't want residue. So now I'll go ahead and select on OK. Now please keep in mind, this isn't a perfect thing, but it does do a pretty good job of it. So let's go ahead and we'll just play a little bit. Okay, so that was me just right in there. I'll play it again. You see it gets quiet. Okay, so that was me just listening to the background noise, getting apply it to the entire track. We'll go ahead and select all, or Control A, and just for one more bit here, we'll go back here just so you can see. Okay, now I'm going to take a pause. Just see what it sounds like. Okay, so that was me just listening to the background noise, so now we've heard it with it all in there. So now what we're going to do is select the entire track, Control A, or select all. And then we're going to go back to Effect, and now there's an option here now that says Repeat Noise Reduction. So we're going to go ahead and select on that. And basically what it just did is it applied that noise reduction to the entire track. So let's go ahead and start right here. Okay, so that was me just listening to the background noise, getting that soundbite. So let's go ahead and stop recording. And now you can barely even hear, if any, that background noise that existed previously. So that is how you go about removing background noise in Audacity.